All right, so now we have a robot back there that you can see. We're gonna go ahead and connect our program. So first things first, you go to File, New Block Project. It's gonna bring to you to this page. Okay. What I want you to do first is change it to whatever you are coding for. So for example, you are doing the drivetrain right now, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and drivetrain code. For example, I'll hit save. I'll do code one because it's gonna do something later. All right, so we have that. We're gonna go ahead and connect our brain. So hit connect. I'm gonna move myself away for a second. You're gonna see that it's hit continue. Over here, you make sure that you select the communication port and hit connect. Okay. If this is the very first time you connected your robot, they may ask you to update some firmware. Do it. They also may ask you to update the radio. Do it. They may also ask you to update the controller. Do it. When it's done, you're going to be here. All right. When you get here, you can go ahead and change your team number, for example. So our team numbers is our school team number. So you can go ahead and change that to whatever that is. So it's 16239. 1 second. Where is it? Okay, I need to double click on it, I guess. All right, 16329. And if your team V, for example, do that, hit update. Now your train will have your team numbers. You can also call it, give it a name if you want. All right, you are connected because you are in the green, right? So there you go, that is connected. Right now, what you're gonna do to make sure that your robot can drive right now is go right here. All right, add device. You're gonna go ahead and depend on your drivetrain. This one we have behind me is the 2 motors, so we're gonna click 2 motors. Again, one thing I do, and you guys should also do, is that when I plug in my motors to the brain, I know exactly what port it is. I have a little tape, and I write the port number on it. So this one is a right motor, and it's go to port 1. And I have it on the robot, so I know in case something happened and I need to change it, I know exactly where to go and find it. All right. So I got port 1 and 10 for the drivetrain. So left motor, port 1, right motor, port 10. All right. And I'm not using any gyro on this one, so I'm going to no gyro. All right. Let me see if I can do this so you can see me a little bit. All right. And then you can see the wheel size is 4 in diameter that we have, and then the track width. The track is the width of your robot. The wheelbase is from the center of the front to the center of the back. All right, and then the gear ratio, we can just keep it right there for now. If we need to change it later, we can. And also the gear, make sure you can see what color from your motors by looking over here. This is green. We might use blue and red. Okay, so when that's done, all you have to do is hit done. Next, we're going to add another device, which is your controller. So we're going to go find the controller. Very easy, right there. And then here's our options. You can do this right here. That means the left joystick going to do everything. If you click it one more time, it's going to go to the right joystick, which now do everything. Or you can split it up. This is RK. That means the left one is go up and down. The right one is turning. Or you can also do the tank. Now, I know some of you guys like the tank, but I see most people like this one, RK. So again, depend on who you are, depend on your driver. All right. When that is done, hit done. And here you go. All you have to do now, hit download. It will download to your robot. And when it downloads to your robot, you can go ahead and hit start to test it out right now. So right now I have a VEX code V5 running. So that's not good because I need to go ahead and get out and select my program. So again, hit A to select the program. And it said drivetrain code 1. So I'm going to hit A on that one, and I can hit run to test my code. So that is going forward. That's good. You can see that's going backwards. This is turning, and that is too much, and I don't want to kill the robot. I don't want it to drop. All right, so that is how you set this up. And I also gonna have to add in a motor for the arm. So I know that my arm is in port 9. And my claw is in port 5. So the arm is, and we don't know which direction, so we can go back and change this later when reverse or forward. All right. Click done, add another one. We're going to call it claw, and it's port 5. All right. Hit done. And all we have to do now is we're going to go ahead and download it again. And then we're going to select our program again. And there's one more thing we need to do before we do that is the controller. It doesn't have the arm or the claw. So if you hit that, it's going to show up the arm. If you want the arm on the L1 and L2, you can do that. So on here, L1 is on top and L2 is at the bottom. R1 is on top and R2 at the bottom. So L is on the left, R is on the right. And if you want to change that to the claw, you click that. So now the claw is the one that is over there. And then if you click it again, it disappears. So if that is the arm, you can click over here for the claw, or you can change that. All right. So that's the arm, that's the claw on the right. If you click on this one, the arm here, if you click it again, the claw is right there. And now if you want to do that. And then you can reverse the directions of R2, R1, L2, L1. That's based on your liking or your driver. All right, hit done. You're going to go ahead and hit download and click OK. And right now, your code, if you hit run, let me select the program again. I didn't see what's going on, so let me download it one more time. Okay, so hit program, hit that, hit run. So right now, my left side, let me move my things here. You can see it, make it a little bit bigger. All right, I think that's the biggest that it can do. You can see the claw is open and closed. All right, and if I do this, it's gonna go up and down. So that is up, R1 is up, R2 is down, L1 is open, L2 is closed. So, and you can change that however you like. All right, that is how you program that. All right, enjoy with this video.